Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your Miele needs. For those of you who don't know, or those of you who do know, we are an authorized Miele vacuum cleaner dealer. We carry all their product lines from their compact series to their classic C1s, complete C3s, their bagless boost, the upright cordless, and their robotic vacuums. One model in particular today that we're going to go over is a model that's exclusive to us only. So anything that you see that says home care is only available through dealers like us. You can't go online, you can't find them at any other retailer. They're exclusive to Miele authorized dealers like us. And the perks and benefits of that we're going to go over in this video. So just a really quick run through on Miele C3 and what makes them so dynamic and so good. So I know in the video it may be hard for you guys to see, but one of the features that separates the Miele C3 series from all of the other lines is that the tools are stored directly in the canister themselves, opposed to being here on the hose, which is nice because sometimes they fall off, they get lost. With them being here, they're really stored nice and compactly, and they're easy access to get to. I love that this has a rubber bumper guard around the whole machine itself to protect the furniture, the walls, and the machine from getting damaged or scratched. It does have a push button plus and minus to lower and raise that suction for whatever you're cleaning. So if you're doing floors, if you're doing area rugs, blinds, curtains, you can adjust and raise that up. I do like that the cord is a 28-foot long cord. It's the longest cord out of all the series that Miele makes. And the cool thing about this is when the cord goes all the way out, you don't have to hold the button or do anything like that. You just tap it once and the cord gets automatically retracted back in. When you purchase the HomeCare series, the really nice feature that I like about this is that it comes with a 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, meaning it covers all parts, labor, motor, casing, everything with this unit for 5 years, which is longer than any other series or make or model that Miele carries, especially if you were to purchase it online through Amazon. You won't find a warranty this long that covers as much as this does. It's exclusively to all the HomeCare models. When you get the Miele C3, you're also going to get the bigger GN bags. So this compartment holds a lot more dirt than what the classic C1s or the compacts will hold. So you get a lot more dirt that can be absorbed and put into this bag, which is a nice feature. Plus you have the pre-motor filter here, and then you have the fine dust filter. So basically, essentially, in essence, you could leave this unit running in a bedroom and it will almost act just like an air purifier. That's how well these filter the dust, dirt, and allergens that your vacuum kicks up and puts back out into the air. This vacuum will filter it all through the system, so everything that comes out of this vacuum is clean, dust, dirt, allergen, odor-free air that comes out of this vacuum, which is reassuring to know, right? And then you're also going to get, when you purchase the HomeCare, you're going to get the 228 powerhead, which is one of the nicer powerheads that Miele carries. It does have a height adjustment, so you can go from low pile carpet to bare floors, all the way up to thick pile shag carpet, which is nice. You do have the function on this Miele to turn this roller on and off. So there's a hand button right here on the handle. So let's say you want to do your area rugs, or if you're doing the hardwood floors and you don't want that roller to spin, you can simply just turn that roller off and then continue on, and then once you're finished cleaning that spot, you can go back to your carpeting and turn that roller back on. I do like that the HomeCare series, along with the additional warranty, which is exclusive to the HomeCare, you also get these 2 additional attachments. I know they don't look like a whole lot, but this tool right here is by far one of my favorite tools that Miele has. It is a long, extended, flexible crevice tool. So what it does is it bends and turns and twists, but it still allows the dirt to pass through this. So I know for dryer vents, this is an amazing tool to do your dryer vents. In between like harder to reach areas, maybe between the fridge and the stove or the countertops, or down in your couch cushions, out in your vehicles. There's just so many applications for this tool. I love, love, love this tool, and it comes with the HomeCare series, so you don't have to buy this separate. And then the other tool I love about this is the larger dusting brush, oval shaped dusting brush. It is a softer brush bristle, which is nice. It also has the feature of being able to maneuver this, twist it and turn it. So if you want to do the tops of your ceiling fans, if you want to get in those hard to reach corners, you can. If you want to get into the top and do surfaces, you can do the surfaces with this. This is a very nice tool as well that also comes with the Miele HomeCare. We offer lots of perks and benefits when you get these home care systems from us. It does make it nice for you as a consumer if you're already going to be spending that X amount of dollars. For around the same price, you could get so much more just by purchasing the Miele HomeCare. We love this unit. This is one of our most sought after products. The Miele C3 series is one of the best canister vacuums in the world. They rank really high in consumer reports, so if you haven't checked that out already, please try to check that out. If you're in the market for a really good canister vacuum, I really recommend a Miele C3, and I especially recommend a Miele C3 HomeCare vacuum. If you like to come see a demo, we do demos here at the store. You can get hands-on with the vacuum, see how it works, kind of use it, see what you think of it. I know once we sell them and once we let customers use them, they fall in love with them because they're just that nice. But if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 703-997-9292. You can like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, follow us on YouTube, and see more of these videos. And then you could also just stop in. We're here 7 days a week, so come on in any day and we can help you out with whatever questions you may have and go from there. So again, Miele C3 HomeCare. Come by our AceVacuums locations and check it out. Thanks, guys.